Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure, I'd be happy to help you with that. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of downloading the English language model n_core_web_sm using spaCy in Python. spaCy is a popular natural language processing library that provides pre-trained models for various languages. Before downloading the English language model, you need to install spaCy. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Once spaCy is installed, you can download the English language model n_core_web_sm using the following Python code. This code snippet imports spaCy and loads the n_core_web_sm model. The spaCy.load function takes care of downloading the model if it's not already installed. Now that the model is loaded, you can test it by processing a sample text. Add the following code to the previous snippet. This code processes the sample text using the loaded model and prints each token along with its part of speech, POS, tag. It helps you verify that the model is working correctly. In this tutorial, you learned how to download and load the English language model n_core_web_sm using spaCy in Python. Additionally, you tested the model by processing a sample text and examining the tokenization and POS tagging results. Remember to check for updates or newer models if needed. spaCy provides various language models for different tasks, so feel free to explore more based on your specific NLP requirements. ChatGPT. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on how to download and use the n_core_web_sm model in Python using spaCy, along with code examples. spaCy is a popular open-source natural language processing library in Python. It provides pre-trained models for various languages, including English. One of the commonly used English models is n_core_web_sm, which is a small-sized English model trained on web text. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of downloading and using the n_core_web_sm model in spaCy. Before you start, make sure you have spaCy installed. You can install spaCy using the following command. Start by importing the spaCy library in your Python script or Jupyter notebook. To download the n_core_web_sm model, use the following code. This command will download the model and store it in the default spaCy data directory. Once the model is downloaded, you can load it into your script using the following code. Now, NLP is a spaCy language processing pipeline that includes the n_core_web_sm model. Now that you have loaded the model, you can process text using spaCy. Here's an example. This code tokenizes the input text, prints each token along with its part of speech, POS, tag and lemma. You've successfully downloaded and used the n_core_web_sm model in spaCy. Now you can leverage its capabilities for various natural language processing tasks, such as tokenization, POS tagging, and lemmatization. Feel free to explore spaCy's documentation for more advanced features and functionalities. spaCy documentation. Happy coding! ChatGPT. Title: Getting Started with spaCy, Installing and Loading the n_core_web_sm model. Introduction. spaCy is a popular open-source library for advanced natural language processing, NLP, in Python. One of the essential steps in using spaCy is downloading the language models. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of downloading and loading the n_core_web_sm model, which is a small English language model provided by spaCy. Step 1. Install spaCy. Before you can download and use any spaCy models, you need to install the spaCy library. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Step 2, download the n_core_web_sm model. Once spaCy is installed, you can download the n_core_web_sm model using the spaCy download command. Run the following command. This command will download the small English language model and install it on your system. Step 3, load and use the n_core_web_sm model in Python. Now that you have downloaded the n_core_web_sm model, you can use it in your Python script or Jupyter notebook. Here's an example code snippet. In this example, we load the n_core_web_sm model using spaCy.load, and process a sample text. The code demonstrates how to access tokenized words along with their part of speech, POS, tags and extract named entities. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've successfully downloaded and loaded the n_core_web_sm model using spaCy. This model is now ready to use for various NLP tasks such as tokenization, part of speech tagging, and named entity recognition. Explore spaCy's documentation for more advanced features and functionalities. https://spacy.io/usage/spacy-101. ChatGPT. spaCy is a popular open-source library for natural language processing, NLP, in Python. It provides pre-trained models that can be used for various NLP tasks. One of the commonly used models is n_core_web_sm, which is a small English model for basic NLP tasks. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of downloading and using n_core_web_sm with code examples. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install spaCy using pip. Before we can use spaCy, we need to import it into our Python script or Jupyter notebook. Once spaCy is installed, you need to download the n_core_web_sm model. This is a small English model suitable for various NLP tasks. After downloading the model, you can load it into your Python script or notebook. Now that the model is loaded, you can use it to process text and perform various NLP tasks. In this tutorial, you learned how to download and use the n_core_web_sm model in spaCy. You can now leverage spaCy's capabilities for tokenization, part of speech tagging, named entity recognition, and other NLP tasks. Experiment with different text inputs and explore spaCy's features to enhance your NLP applications. ChatGPT. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on how to download the n_core_web_sm model using the spaCy library in Python, along with a code example. spaCy is a popular natural language processing, NLP, library in Python that provides pre-trained models for various languages. One of the commonly used English models is n_core_web_sm. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of downloading and using this model in your Python environment. Before you begin, make sure you have Python installed on your machine. You can download and install Python from the official Python website. Additionally, you'll need to have spaCy installed. You can install spaCy using the following command. To download the n_core_web_sm model, you can use the spaCy download command. Open your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. This command will download the n_core_web_sm model and its dependencies. Once the download is complete, you can proceed to use the model in your Python scripts. Now that you have downloaded the n_core_web_sm model, let's see how to use it in a Python script. In this example, we first import the spaCy library and then load the n_core_web_sm model using spaCy.load. We then process a sample text using the loaded model and extract information such as tokens, parts of speech, and named entities. Feel free to modify the text variable with your own text to see how the model performs on different inputs. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded the n_core_web_sm model and used it to process text in Python using spaCy. This model is now ready to be used for various NLP tasks, such as tokenization, part-of-speech tagging, and named entity recognition. Explore spaCy's documentation for more advanced features and customization options. ChatGPT